If you're looking to boost your Amazon to eBay dropshipping business, you're going to want to check out the Fiverr gig I recently tried. The link to Abdullah Imran's gig is in the description below, so be sure to take a look after watching this review. Abdullah's gig focuses on finding top listings for Amazon to eBay dropshipping, which is perfect if you're struggling to find profitable products to sell. When I first placed my order, I was impressed by Abdullah's professionalism and clear communication. He took the time to ask about my niche and target market, ensuring that the listings he would provide were perfectly tailored to my needs. This gave me confidence that I was making the right choice by using his services. Just a few days later, Abdullah delivered a comprehensive report filled with top-performing products. Each listing included key details like product titles, descriptions, pricing, and even tips for optimizing them for better visibility on eBay. What set this gig apart was the depth of research behind each product. Abdullah didn't just provide a generic list. He selected items with a proven track record of sales and profit potential. This level of detail is exactly what you need to get an edge in the competitive dropshipping market. After implementing the listings provided, I saw results almost immediately. The products started selling quickly, and I was able to maintain a strong profit margin thanks to Abdullah's strategic pricing recommendations. It's clear that he really knows his stuff when it comes to Amazon to eBay dropshipping. Beyond the quality of the listings, Abdullah's ongoing support was another highlight. He followed up after delivery to check on how the listings were performing and offered additional tips for further optimization. This kind of customer service is rare and really adds value to the gig. So, if you're serious about finding profitable products for your Amazon to eBay dropshipping business, I highly recommend giving Abdullah's gig a try. The expertise, attention to detail, and commitment to customer satisfaction make this gig a must-have for any dropshipper. Plus, the time and effort you save by having someone else do the research for you is absolutely worth it. To sum it up, this Fiverr gig exceeded my expectations, and I'll definitely be coming back for more listings in the future. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to check out Abdullah's gig and take your eBay dropshipping to the next level.